Dr. Jay Madaan. I'm here at Neemrana Fort Palace and we are here with Chef Joe.
Good morning.
And he's going to talk about, different recipes that he's going to prepare for us, which is speciality of this place. So this is a local, Rajasthani thing, which is called Baati. And he's going to prepare it in a European touch, which is his speciality. And I'm going to enjoy it.
Yes.
So we're going to have Baati. What is it called? Baati Salad?
Salad, yes. And it's the bread of Rajasthan.
Okay.
Now we put another ingredient with corn, peas and meat.
Okay. By the time you're going to prepare it, I'm going to try this salad of yours,
Yes.
which looks delicious to me. It's yum.
Thank you.
You've added a little lemon to it as well, right?
Yes, for acidity.
It's delicious.
Thank you. Now we toast in the pan
Little jeera.
cumin seed. Only for toast. Now we put some corn and peas. We add some olive oil.
So that's the beauty of it, that a Rajasthani combination with a European twist, and I'm sure it's going to be amazing. And that's the speciality of this beautiful palace fort, Neemrana. It is an exotic location and you must visit it. We're going to add some red peppercorns to it.
Yeah, only some. Enough.
Okay.
And the second part for the garnish.
Okay.
Now we toast the bread only
Okay.
for,
We'll just toast it.
yes. A little bit olive oil. We add some salt
Okay.
on the
Yes.
bread. We add on the top the corn with peas.
We're going to add some raw and
Yeah.
some cooked one as well.
Yes. Now this is no cook and this cook. And now another type no cook.
Which is your favorite, cooked or not cooked?
Not cooked because the taste is more fresh.
Okay.
Yes.
And it's boiled any which way, so it's
Yes.
semi-cooked.
Yes. I prefer no cook. We add in no cook the fresh pepperoni
Okay.
for garnish, coriander. Yeah. Now we add the Indian touch,
With the lemon.
typical of Rajasthan.
This looks amazing. The uncooked one. It's like bruschetto. Okay, the whole thing together?
Yeah.
Okay. It's yummy. I'm going to try the other one. the cooked
Okay.
one,
The cooked one.
The cooked one. This was delicious.
Okay.
I also prefer the uncooked one.
Cooked?
The uncooked one.
Uncooked.
The
Okay,
one.
like me.
Yeah,
Okay.
like you. It's more crispy.
Yes. Yeah, more crispy and more fresh. The taste, the color, and the parfum.
You
Yeah.
can feel the vegetables inside.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's very nice. Very well blended.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I had an amazing time with Joe here, who prepared this nice dish for me, and I really loved it. It's really delicious. I enjoyed this place to the hilt, and you must also come and experience it.
Thank you.
It was beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.